Hi members, Miss Heidi here, and today I'm going to take you on a nature walk through the Oyster Bay Regional Shoreline in San Leandro, California. Let's take a walk. Here's the Oyster Bay Pollinator Garden, and here's a sign with information on monarch migration. This park's trail leads you to the San Leandro Marina. You can also find interesting sculptures at this park, along with great views. Here goes a plane taking off from the Oakland Airport. At this park, they also have a disc golf course. This section of the trail is the Wildlife Refuge. This is the picnic area of the park. Here we have a sign with some of the animals and plants that you can find in the park. We have a clapper rail, a grindelia, and a salt marsh harvest mouse. This is the end of our nature walk. Have fun exploring!